March Whiteboard Wall Quotes. Inspiring words to celebrate Women's Month. March is a month of renewal, growth, and empowerment, making it the perfect time to fill your whiteboard wall with inspiring quotes. A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman. Melinda Gates. A girl should be two things: who and what she wants. Coco Chanel. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent. Eleanor Roosevelt. There is no limit to what we, as women, can accomplish. Michelle Obama. Opportunities are usually disguised as hard work, so most people don't recognize them. Ann Landers. The world needs strong women. Women who will lift and build others, who will love and be loved. Amy Tenney. Spring will come and so will happiness. Hold on. Life will get warmer. Anita Krisen. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at www.remarkablecoding.com.